Let's discover the ABCs with fun.
Hello, wonderful friends! Are you ready to hop aboard the alphabet train and embark on a super-duper adventure? Let's dive into the magical world of letters, shall we?
For apple. Hey kids, A is for apple, the crunchy fruit that's red, green, or yellow. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's super yummy. B for ball. B is for ball, the round toy that bounces high and low. Grab a ball and let's play, watch it roll and go. C for cat. C is for cat, the furry friend who says meow. Cats love to nap and chase string, oh wow. D for dog. D is for dog, the loyal pet who loves to bark. Dogs are our best buddies, always ready for a park. E for elephant. E is for elephant, the giant with a long trunk. Elephants are smart and love to splash. Thunk, thunk. F for fish. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Fish are colourful and fun, just like you and me. G for grape. G is for grape, the juicy little treat. Grapes come in bunches and are so fun to eat. H for hat. H is for hat, which you wear on your head. Hats keep you stylish and warm, or cool instead. I for igloo. I is for igloo, a house made of snow. It's cold inside, but cozy, don't you know? J for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish, floating in the sea. They glow in the dark, just like magic, we. K for kite. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. On a windy day, watch it dance and fly. For lion. L is for lion, the jungle's brave king. With a mighty roar, let the adventure begin. M for monkey. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. Monkeys are playful and love bananas, oh please. N for nest. N is for nest, where birds lay their eggs. Nests are cozy homes built with twigs and pegs. O for orange. O is for orange, the citrusy delight. Peel it and eat it, what a tasty bite. P for penguin. P is for penguin, waddling on ice. Penguins slide and swim, oh they're so nice. Q for queen. Q is for queen, wearing a shiny crown. Queens rule kingdoms and never frown. R for rainbow. R is for rainbow, with colours so bright. It arches the sky, what a magical sight. S for sun. S is for sun, shining bright in the sky. The sun keeps us warm and helps plants grow high. T for turtle. T is for turtle, with a shell on its back. Turtles move slow and steady, keeping right on track. U for umbrella. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry from the rain. Open it wide and let the splashes drain. V for violin. V is for violin, with strings to play. The violin makes music, night and day. W for whale. W is for whale, the giant of the sea. Whales sing songs and swim wild and free. X for xylophone. X is for xylophone, with colourful bars. Tap them gently and make musical stars. Y for yarn. I is for yarn, soft and stringy. Knit a scarf or a hat, it's so fun and zingy. Z for zebra. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Zebras gallop fast, what a sight.
Video or find it useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, or share. If you have any suggestions or want to see a new video, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for being with me. Keep watching.